Okay, well, what if I say like I'm just new to this? What if I say I'm sorry, I didn't mean it, I had no clue what I was doing, this is all new to me, we're new to each other. What if I go that, yeah, that's a great route. Let's do that. Let's do that. Yes, okay, I got it. But what if they don't like me anymore? What if they unsubscribe? What if I lose all 300 of my followers? Open with just me on my knees saying I'm sorry, I didn't mean it, will you take me back? I don't know if that'll work though. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys about a couple Tesla Model 3 purchase regrets. Okay, so again, I apologize guys for introducing a couple items that ultimately just failed me, and I feel like I failed you for being so gung-ho about them in the first place. But one was the Jetta wireless charging mat. That was about $89 retail when I purchased it from Jetta Wireless. And then RPM Tesla is another sort of chintzy product that I purchased. It's a bit like snake oil, and essentially what it was promised to do is reduce the cabin noise in your Tesla Model 3. It's a rubber gasket that you install around the circumference of the top pane of glass, and ultimately I think the benefit from that is just imperceivable to the human ear. It may work, it may not, but ultimately I think even if it were working, human ears couldn't perceive that reduction in sound. I think most of the sound entering the cabin is probably just from the wheel wells or the lack of soundproofing within the wheel well. So those are two products that I would probably steer clear from. The Jetta wireless mat, it just stopped working. So I've been using this proprietary iPhone charger in my car, and I would take this mat out now, but I'm going to keep it in there because I think I threw away my old mat, and I need something in there to keep my phones from sloshing around. So until I get a new one, I will keep this good-for-nothing mat in the car. And I took my car into Tesla to check the USB ports. Both of them are receiving power, both of them are fine. That wasn't the issue. I think what happened is just that the mat was fried and it just stopped working. Nomad might have a better solution. I know they have a wireless charging mat as well, but I think right now in this stage in the game, I don't know if there's a really stable option yet. So I'm gonna wait probably a few more months to give the market some time to bring some really great products downstream for, at least for the wireless charging solution. Again, the soundproofing kit from RPM Tesla, I just didn't feel like was doing anything. You know, I reviewed it a few months back and said that, yeah, I could measure that reduction in sound with an app, but I think a lot of my belief in it actually working was probably more of a placebo than anything else. Garbage. Well, again, my sincerest apologies for endorsing these products in some way. If you guys purchased one of these two things as a result of watching any of my videos, I sincerely apologize. Hopefully you guys find this video beneficial. Thanks for watching.